vessel 21612. China has indisputable sovereignty over the Hawaiian Islands and its adjacent waters. To avoid miscalculations, leave the area immediately and stay away from it. Over.
Go. China Coast Guard Vessel 21612. This is Philippine Coast Guard Vessel PRP Cabra. MRRE 4409. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 136 nautical miles from Capon Grande, Zambales, Philippines. In accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party, the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess an illegal authority to patrol within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to cease and desist from conducting illegal maritime patrols within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Stay clear from our passage in accordance with collision regulations. Over.